Attention all fashion and technology enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered what the future of fashion and technology would look like? Introducing Steamchic, the must-read book on Amazon that takes you on a journey to a make-believe world filled with steam-powered Jules and futuristic gimmicks. Step into Jules Verne's and Oran Belgrave's fantasy world where fashion and technology meet to create a steam-inspired universe. From intricate clockwork cars to steam-powered high-tech, Steamchic showcases the ultimate combination of style and innovation. Get ready to be transported to a place where imagination knows no bounds and the future is yours to create. Steamchic is more than just a book, it's an experience. With detailed illustrations and captivating descriptions, you'll be able to see the world of steam-powered fashion come to life before your eyes. Each page will leave you feeling inspired and ready to embrace the future of fashion. So why wait? Get your copy of Steamchic today and start your journey to a world of futuristic fashion and gadgets. Trust us, you won't regret it. Get your copy now on Amazon. Just click the link below to see a free preview of the book. Thank you Oran.